like to seek some clarification. Can we go ahead?
Huh, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Please ask.
Yeah. I would like to know a little more detail about your relationship with your parents. Would you
Ma'am,
like to talk about that to me?
yeah,
Yes. Yeah.
I told you, no, ma'am, my
Uh,
father is not staying at home here, and
yeah, that I know.
I'm in the
Yeah.
hostel, and my dad calls
Yes.
me. I speak to him. My mom also.
Mm.
I speak to her very often. She
Oh,
comes.
okay. Yeah. Oh, that's good. You are regularly, both your parents are regularly in touch with
Yes,
you,
ma'am. Yes,
and you're also in touch with you.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. You are the eldest child, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. I have a younger brother.
Yeah.
I'm the elder.
Yeah. Yeah. How old is your brother?
He is 14. 14 years.
Okay. He's staying with your parents?
Right now, he's with my mom.
Mom.
My
Yeah.
dad is
Father's
in
staying
another
away,
country.
no? Yeah. 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 I know that. Yeah. Thanks for clarifying that. Okay. Tell me a little more about your relationship with your brother.
Yeah, ma'am, we are very happy. We like to play with each other. He'll trouble me sometimes, but I also don't spare
Mhm.
him.
Yeah. What do
Sometimes
you do?
I bully him because I'm the I like to bully him
Yeah.
also. He likes to take all
Okay.
attention sometimes from my mom, but I don't let him do that.
Yes. Okay. What do you do? How do you stop him?
Ma'am, just like that, I'll
Yeah,
just
still tell
I'll
me
pull
now.
his hand. I'll pull his hand.
Uh-huh.
I'll push him back.
Yeah.
He'll say, "Let me speak." Then you speak. I'll say,
Mm, mm, mm. He doesn't mind you doing that?
No. At times he'll also say, "No, no, no. I will tell first."
Mm. Okay.
Then
At that time, what do you do? You'll
no, my mom will come in between, and she will see that both of us are fine and both of us get a chance to speak.
Oh, it looks like you're missing your brother and fights with your brother.
Ma'am.
Is it so?
Yeah, I miss my home, everything.
Yeah. Okay. How long dad has been away from your home?
1 year, ma'am. Since one
Okay.
year.
Before that?
Before that, he was here. His job was here. He got transferred, so he went there.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you share some of your good time with your daddy? Since 1 year, you said he's staying away, no? You must be missing him also a lot, isn't it?
Yeah. In vacation, we go and
Okay.
spend time with dad, and
Ah.
very rarely he also comes because he doesn't get much leave. So it's nice. Mom, my brother, me, all of us go and stay with him there, and so I'll be waiting to go.
Yeah, it looks like you're missing your dad.
Yes, yes, ma'am. But it's okay.
Yeah.
I know I have to study. I'm in 12th.
Yeah. Yes, that's nice. Hmm. What is your best memory with your family, Amrita?
My visit of my grandparents,
Mm-hmm.
uncles, aunts. So we all have
Okay.
nice time. My mom cooks nice food.
Okay.
Sometimes we
Okay.
go out also with all family members when visitors come. My
Okay.
my grandparents also, they stay
Mm-hmm.
in the village. So when they come, they are also very happy to go out, see the place, everything. It's nice, ma'am.
Okay. So it makes so special just because your grandparents and your extended family members are there?
Mm. I like to spend time. I'll be waiting when they come home.
Okay. Uh, how far do they stay away from you, your grandparents?
Around 200 kilometers from here.
Oh, so it's not very
No,
frequent for them to
no,
visit,
ma'am,
is
not
it?
frequent. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you also visit them once in a while?
No, once in a while. Now it's difficult because when I was young, we used to go there more often. Now, because of
Okay.
I get less vacation and we go to my dad also,
Mm-hmm.
I don't get much time to go. But they come here. When they come, I meet them.
Okay. So other than you and your brother, are there other grandchildren also there?
Yes, my uncle's children are there.
Hmm.
Once
They
in
are
a
all.
way, we meet all of us together.
Yeah, you enjoy that better, or you and your parents, your home alone, or being with
Both,
the extended?
both. Sometimes I like me, my mother, father, and brother. I like that also. But sometimes
Okay.
I like when my grandparents and uncles and aunts come. They usually don't stay for more days. They
Okay.
come
Okay.
a very short time.
So you get more time with your parents, right? When you go home.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you all do generally?
Ma'am,
Get
usual.
together. Mm.
They'll ask about the college, about my studies.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes some guests will be there, some parties will be there.
Okay.
I go out for shopping with my mom sometimes.
Okay. You enjoy that?
Yeah.
Okay. There are times you go for shopping even with your daddy?
But usually me and mom, because dad is not here. Earlier, dad
Yeah, yeah,
used to come,
yeah.
but more it is with my mom. I go for shopping.
Okay. You seem to be more close to your mom than your father. Is that so?
No, ma'am, I'm close to both.
Okay, okay, okay. Now tell me a bit about your parents' relationship with each other. How is their relationship with each other?
They're fine, ma'am.
Yeah. Could you tell a little more about that?
What you want to know, ma'am?
About their relationship with each other? How cordial are they?
They're
Are
cordial.
they are cordial. Are there times there are conflicts also?
No, not very obvious.
Okay.
The,
But you seem to have a very good home. Is that so? Am I correct in my understanding regarding your family?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you seem to be more close with your mom
I'm
because it's,
Yeah, because now I spend more time with mom, but I'm close to my dad also. Sometimes I like to talk to my dad some about my studies, about my hostel. He also
yeah.
calls me. He calls me and asks.
Okay. If there is any, whenever there is an issue at hand of both the parents, whom do you call, Amrita?
Oh, what, ma'am?
When any issues, suppose you have some issue in the class or something going wrong with your friends, anything like that. No, we are human beings, we go through different difficult situations
No,
during
no, ma'am. I don't say these things much.
with your parents, is it?
No, because nothing such issue like where I have to call, but usually I call and talk to them.
Yeah,
Difficulties, I say sometimes roommates. I told you last time I had some
yeah, yeah,
difficulty with the
yeah.
roommates. They complained and all. That time I spoke to my dad because both of them came for my admission.
Yeah.
So they know about the hostel and they know my roommates also because they were together when the roommates were chosen and when I got into the room.
Okay, nice to know about your family, and I really appreciate knowing that you have good family and parents are supportive of you from what you are saying. That's what I understand at this point of time. Okay. Okay. You told me you are feeling much better after talking with me. Yeah.
Yeah.
What made you feel better?
Because you didn't ask anything like, why are you doing? Why don't you stop? You didn't say anything.
Hmm. That made you feel
I
comfortable?
felt, yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Oh,
yes.
that's nice.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I felt you understood me, my
Okay, that's
difficulty.
good. Yeah, Nick. Okay, one second. My ear thing is ear. Is there anything that you would like to discuss with me, Amrita?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. But last time I remember you mentioning about you feeling anxious about
Uh,
small things. Is there
yeah.
anything that you would like to talk about that to me?
Ma'am, I told you last time, I become very anxious sometimes. And when I'm very anxious,
Yeah.
I throw some things,
Yeah.
I scream at others. And sometimes I told you, no, ma'am,
Yes.
I cut my.
Yes. 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 I remember that. I remember. See, I would actually like to know what are the things that, like you said, there are times, become very anxious. What are the things that usually, makes you anxious?
Usually exams,
Okay. What
giving
about
exam.
exam, Amrita?
Like even if it is internal assessment, internal exam, board
Okay.
exam time, so I become very anxious, ma'am.
Okay. Your parents know that you get anxious?
Yes, ma'am, they know.
Okay. Have any time they try to help you or get you some help?
Oh, yes, ma'am. My mom had taken me to a doctor
Uh-huh. When was that?
uh, when I was in class 10th. That time, class 8, 9, it started more. When I was in
Yeah.
class
Yeah.
10, my mom took me to a doctor.
Okay. Was it a counselor or a
No, ma'am.
psychologist or
No,
psychiatrist?
no. A physician.
Okay, you went to a physician. Did
Yeah.
he give you some tablets also?
No, ma'am, he didn't give any tablets. He said, you are very young. You don't take any tablets.
Okay.
You learn to relax. He spoke nicely and he said he didn't give any tablets.
Okay. So after the consultation, did anything change with you?
No, ma'am. My mom usually says, you keep water on your table, and when you become anxious, keep on drinking water. I do that. Even now,
Does
I
that
do.
reduce your anxiety?
To some extent, yes, it reduces.
Okay. Now, I will ask you a little more clarification. Okay, you were telling me during the exam, just before the exam, you get anxious, right?
Yes.
When you
Yes, ma'am.
go to the classroom, can you just tell me just before the exam what happens to you?
Mm, when I go to exam, it's okay. When I start writing, I write well.
Okay. Is it just before the exam? The
Usually
thought
one
of
week,
the.
yeah, 1 week before, I feel like that.
Okay. During that time, are
Sometimes,
you?
ma'am,
Yes.
sometimes even when somebody irritates me, I told you, ma'am,
Uh-huh.
last time
Yeah.
that some people
Yes.
don't
Yes. I
understand
remember.
me.
Yeah. Yeah.
I my study pattern and all that. When people don't understand me, also I get anxious. I feel why these people are not understanding me. And
Okay.
exam time also, I get
Okay.
like
These
that.
are the two circumstances you usually become anxious. Are
Yes,
there
yes.
times when you have to ask question to your teacher? At that time, do you feel anxious, or teacher
No,
is asking you question?
no,
You are
no, 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 ma'am.
that time you are able to answer.
Yes.
Okay, you have to present something in front of your class.
I'll happily do it, ma'am. I'll do
Okay,
it.
those circumstances you don't feel anxious.
No.
Okay, good to know that. Okay. So these two, are there any other circumstances you want to describe or you're able to remember that you get anxious? Since you're an adolescent, usually when people of your age, when they meet people of opposite sex, sometimes they get anxious. Are there any times you have felt like that also?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
You also have friends from opposite sex?
I have, ma'am.
Okay. You don't seem to have any issues with them. Is it so?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What do you think we can do about this anxiety? Do you think that there is something that can be done regarding this anxiety?
Yes, ma'am. I don't want. I after I throw things, after I shout at my roommates and friends
Uh,
also, I shout sometimes. After that, I feel, why am I doing this? I really
okay.
want to stop. And even this cutting and all, I
Yeah.
can't control, so I do it. But actually, I don't like to do it.
Okay. Do you think that something can be over the sessions, that something can be done for this? Do
I
you
don't know,
think
ma'am.
is
If
it possible?
no, I really don't know, ma'am. If you can help me, I'll be very grateful to you.
Okay. There are ways and means in which you can deal with your anxiety. We can actually work on that. And I just want to tell you exactly what you are going through. uh, these symptoms, there are cluster of symptoms when you feel anxious. It to me it appears like there is something called anxiety disorder. Okay. There are few elements when I talk about anxiety. There are some bodily symptoms. Okay. There are some which I call as physiological symptoms. For example, shivering, throat drying, palpitation, you're not able to remember, sweating, and you feel like crying. Okay. Those kind of physical symptoms are there, which you described just before exam. Isn't it so? Yeah.
Uh, I, I don't have such symptoms.
Okay, you don't have any of these. That's that's fine. Not necessary that everybody should have manifest physiological
Just
symptoms.
I cannot control.
Sorry.
It's I cannot control. It just comes out from me.
Huh. Anger, that's what you were
Yeah,
mentioning.
like
Anger.
sometimes, yeah,
Yeah.
it comes out of me.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't
first.
remember other feelings. I really have not
Yeah.
known.
Yeah. Yeah. That is also manifestation of anxiety. Many times we don't realize that we are anxious. So when we do not know what exactly we are going through, we bring out responses in different ways. For example, I tell you, when somebody is angry, that person may not realize that she is angry. Instead, they will just cry, you know. But when
Yes.
you clarify, they have you also experienced that?
What, ma'am?
No, I asked, there are times when you are actually very upset about something. So instead of crying, you just scream or you shout at people. Have
Yes.
you also
Yes, ma'am.
experienced sometime
Yeah.
that particular time the person is not able to identify the emotion that is there, and they show some responses. Response means some reaction to that without realizing what is it that I am actually going through. So I would if you are willing, then I would like to have a next session
Okay,
where
ma'am.
I will describe you and make you understand what is anxiety, how it affects a person. There are also things that triggers anxiety. For example, there are thought. It could be a fear. It could be the
Okay.
thought that I've not prepared well for the exam. Okay. So some people will show emotional manifestation. Some people will show physiological manifestations, but all this can be controlled by our thoughts. So there are two ways in which I would like to deal with this. For that, we have to first, it's important to identify what is it that you're going through.
Okay, ma'am. I'll
Okay.
come.
And second thing is to deal with this anxiety immediately. I can teach you some relaxation techniques also.
Okay, ma'am. Please
Okay.
tell.
Yeah. So I'll start off with some breathing techniques as of now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is nothing but every day we breathe, isn't it? From the time we are awake, even when we are sleeping, we are breathing.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
This is nothing but simple breathing exercise. You just exhale and inhale. Okay. Maybe 15 times. I'll do a small demonstration after that. You can also show me, and then give me a feedback how it is going through.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, should I do that?
No, 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 no. Now I thought let us open it to the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Anything or what do you feel?
Yeah, yeah. Let's open. Let them question us, than we clarifying things.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
So, now before that, I just want to give one explanation. See, from the general, slowly, I want to go to the specific things. That's what ma'am, and we were doing in this role play. Now, please, you people take over. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, Whoever is showing, please indicate your
Yes,
finger
ma'am.
so that I see all the mics are on. That's why. Yeah. Who is speaking now? Shaker? Are
Yes,
you?
ma'am. I'm speaking.
Okay. Shaker is asking one question. Yeah.
Ma'am, when client touch his hand to his ear and little was she was depressed, like she put her head down.
Hmm.
At that time, ma'am, should client should ask something or should offer water or something else, like making more comfortable to the client?
Oh, sure. We can always suffer. And in fact, today I was going through some guidelines they offer that I was working for an organization called Your Dost. Okay. So it's mandatory that you keep tissue paper and water. There's nothing wrong about that. Just being kind. But since I did not do any of those just here, because I did not see any indication for her. Last time I asked. Okay. But
Yes,
this time I did not ask because I did not see any indication of any anxiety symptom right in front of in this face to face session with me. She seems to be more relaxed and more less anxious before the counselor right now.
but I think I have what I have observed that
Yeah.
her voice was little low
Hmm.
in the um, between the her voice was down, and then
Okay.
at last moment when she saw that our session will end, she got happy and she was interacting and she was hearing
Okay.
the counselor through the session.
Okay. Okay. That is a good observation. Actually, my voice, uh, in between, my
Yes,
voice was
ma'am.
not right. No, so I couldn't actually catch that. Thank you. That is a clear indication of anxiety. Ma'am, was it
Uh,
right? Yeah.
Maybe, but definitely last time the expression of anxiety was more, and this time it wasn't
yes,
much because it was already known to you.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I
And the
sensed
particular situation was not anxiety inducing at all
at all.
for me.
Yeah, yeah,
So that was first time I'm telling to somebody uh, something which usually I don't tell.
yeah,
So maybe that is the reason the anxiety comes. But
yeah.
today, because I was very sure you know that, so it
Yes,
didn't.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So that was easing you to share more and
There
okay.
was no anxiety today. Last time,
Yeah, yeah, that's what my observation. I did not see any features of anxiety disorder. What she is describing, none of those things. Yeah.
हेलो मैम.
yeah.
क्लैरिटी
हेलो
मिला
मैम.
आपको? हाँ, बोलिए ना कर.
मैं
या बोलिए.
शेखर, आर यू आस्किंग और shall I say?
No, no, Shekhar's turn is over. Anybody
Yeah,
else
he
can come.
finished. Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am,
Please.
ma'am, what I observe,
Yeah.
Amrita was quite comfortable today. From the very
Yes.
beginning, she was cheerful and she was expressive. But after a discussion of 10 minutes also, after the preliminary 10 questions, what she says, I feel that still she is hiding something.
Yeah.
She
Yeah.
was not
Sure.
telling the truth.
Yes.
That's what I feel.
Yes.
Second, when the counselor asks her that now you can tell me, then only she speaks something about the anxiety she expressed. But though she come today, she was not expressing, she was hiding something, not telling the truth. And when the counselor come to the particular points like anxiety, whether the parents are knowing it or that, how they are helping, then only she become comfortable and try to express, try to admit it and take the advice of the counselor. So, ma'am, what as a counselor, what I think, how to come to the particular point directly, I think today it does not happen.
No,
नहीं हो पाया, ऐसा फील लगा मुझे.
हाँ, सब.
Coming to the particular problem directly,
See, we
it was
cannot
not clear.
expect. No, it will not be. Do you expect that? We are still in the process of establishing rapport. Her real problem for which she has been referred was substance abuse, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, she's. I don't know whether it is drugs, whether she's taking alcohol. It is not a strange thing for girls of that age to, because I know good number of them students, who are taking alcohol. So those are the
Yes,
real
ma'am.
issues.
Yes, ma'am.
But why I was specifically directing towards this is she feels comfortable with me to talk about anxiety.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So, if to win her confidence and to bring her to my stride, I have to make her feel comfortable and make her feel that to come to that is we'll come to goal setting and all that. Okay, later. But
Yes, yes, ma'am.
it
Yes.
was not my intention today nor I was expecting that today she is going to talk to me about substance abuse at all. Because,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
okay, true, she felt
Yes.
comfortable. She came back. That is a good indication. If she was not comfortable, she would not have bothered to come with a smiling face. She came. There was no displeasure at all. Okay, but
Yes.
I am trying to make her understand, not directly, indirectly, there are certain specific things that can be addressed at this point of time by teaching her some relaxation technique, teaching her some breathing techniques and all, so that she feels in the session that's, did you notice I was specifically asking her, do you think that I can help you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you told.
What was her answer? Yes, I know you will help me. That's
Yes,
not
yes.
what she said. Okay. What is that clearly indicating?
That means she is accepting you.
She's not come to a stage in our rapport. I have not actually established that much rapport where she is now. She's still in the testing phase.
Just yes. Okay.
Okay, still she has
Okay,
that
ma'am.
question mark. What is this lady is going to do? Let me see. But I am willing to see. Give it a chance. She is only partially ready.
Yes, ma'am.
I also don't expect that in the second session, no, some of the clients will take 10, 12 sessions also. I wouldn't like to,
I was I,
yeah,
I was thinking that today she will tell something more,
yeah,
and
we could
No,
have,
today's
no.
yeah, please
and
tell.
from your presentation also, ma'am, the questioning also, I was thinking that definitely towards the last part she will tell something new thing and some
Hmm,
more things. That's
hmm,
what I was expecting.
yeah, but as
Okay,
a,
Manuja,
yeah, yes, ma'am,
let me see. Let me see. Let
yeah,
Kana be the counselor now.
yeah,
Huh?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
anybody? Let's
yeah,
see what
anybody
kind
else?
of question you will ask so that you will get more.
Yes, yes, yeah,
Right?
yeah,
Anybody? Anybody willing to take this challenge?
yes, I will be glad. Let's see.
Shekhar,
Excuse me. Yeah.
Shekhar.
शेखर आप कुछ बोल रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am.
What else you could have done, Shekhar? Would you want to try
Uh,
your hand?
Again, ma'am. Please
Yeah.
pardon again.
You want to try this? Ma'am is giving a challenge.
Amrita is
Ma'am.
ready.
Amrita is ready for a challenge, second challenge.
Okay, ma'am.
Try.
Ma'am, counselor was trying to
No, no,
know
no, no,
about
no, 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 no. You be the
Not
counselor
again,
and
about,
again.
ask the question.
ma'am is not asking you to evaluate the previous counselor. Ma'am is asking you to just try on trying to get more information about her.
Anybody in the group are welcome. You can ask a question, or it need not be a question. It can be anything. You come out with. Be very specific. No discussion, no judgment. What happened? Nothing. You think you are the counselor. Manoja has played that role so far, and as Kana rightly said, everybody were anxious to know what question will be asked and how the client will come out with the truth. Okay. So you all of you could understand that it didn't come. So you take the
No.
role and see.
Yes. Give it a try. What all probing questions you would have asked, whether you would have
I'm
probed.
ready.
Yeah. Clients.
Hello.
Puchi
Wait,
is,
1 minute.
yeah.
Question. I'm not getting what to ask right now.
You're not getting any question to ask. Anybody else?
All of you can think 30 seconds and you can ask.
Rajashri says, ma'am, it is difficult.
Okay.
It is really
Now I
difficult,
think,
ma'am.
Manoja, we'll leave the challenge open.
Yes.
Let them think how they will really come to know of this.
Yeah.
Because the reason is already told to them. They know. What is the problem for which I was referred to the counselor by my teacher or friend, whoever it is.
Teacher.
They know. Okay. Now keep that in mind and think maybe next class, either Manoja or you can. Let's see, Manoja. Let them think. Now I think if you have any, because you had a video and you wanted to have some discussion.
Yeah.
Or if even till now, if anybody has a question, you can come out with.
Ma'am, how we will start? It's difficult. Who asked that? It's okay. Give it a try. We are not expecting that anything will come out only. Suman, you want to give a try?
Yes, ma'am, I would like to.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Like Amrita told that when she goes to her
No,
grandparents.
Suman,
Yeah, ma'am.
no analysis. I am Amrita. You are the counselor.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Amrita, when you go to the grandparents' home, you just told that you all party. So, what about you among the cousins? How do you all party? Like, do you party with the elders only, or you are having a separate kind of party among the all the children together?
Usually, parents, grandparents will cook. We also help them. We
Okay.
go out together. Sometimes we go to picnic spots also. All of us go together.
Okay, so you all party together only. There is no separate party for among the same age group kind of people.
With cousins.
Yeah, with cousins.
Oh, at home we do, that's all. We don't go out usually
Okay,
by ourselves.
okay. Thank you.
Because my parents usually invite people, their friends also come. We have lots of fun time at home. And sometimes when relatives come, because especially my grandparents, they like to go out. So we go out and eat also once in a way. But more of it is we have at home.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Uh, ma'am, I thought from that part I'll get. So that's what I tried.
Anyway, well tried.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Because
Good.
among cousins, there are some chances. That's why I just tried that way.
Yeah, good. Yeah. Anybody else? शेखर, अभी आपको लग रहा है आप रेडी हैं? ऐसे मुझे लग रहा है.
थोड़ा little, ma'am.
हाँ.
That I will try.
Yes.
Amrita, can you tell me how was your school days? Have you bunked you have stayed in hostel or is day scholars?
Sir, I was coming from home, but this year only I joined the hostel.
Okay. Have you enjoyed such party in what? And can you share me any memory with your hostels that you remember?
So very recently I have
Party?
come to hostel. No, a hostel, there are rules. We have to
Yes.
follow the rules.
Yes.
Uh, there are times for everything. Study time is there, dinner time, sleep time, everything is there.
Do you like
And
bunking school?
no, I go to my all my classes. I like my teachers. I go to my classes.
That's good. So after the classes, where do you spare your time and with whom?
All my
During
classmates.
your hostel time. I'm just asking what your hostel period.
Yeah, we have in our campus many playground and
Yes.
I play with my friends. Sometimes I go out also. We have to take permission and go out. I go out also with my roommate and my friend also.
Okay. And when you like to visit your grandfather home and looking what there is anything that कुछ ऐसा चीज है जैसे लगता है कि मुझे जाना है बहुत ही जरूरी है मुझे जाना है मतलब नानी घर मतलब ऐसा होता है ना दादा घर जाना है something
No-
like that.
Nothing like that, but whenever I get time, I like to visit them. I like the village. I like to go there whenever I get time. When I was young, I used to go a lot.
Okay.
Okay, Shaker's chance is over. No. Now you know this situation. You should really understand how exactly you get the details. So it is a homework for you.
Yeah.
You think,
Probing. Huh.
yeah, who's that probing? Anybody want to probe? Yeah, somebody is ready.
Somebody wants to probe deeper. क्वेश्चन करना चाहते हैं और अमृता को क्वेश्चनिंग से ही और इंफॉर्मेशन मिल सकता है ना.
Ma'am,
यस
can
राजश्री.
I ask one question only?
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to ask Amrita that when you feel anxious
You
and
ask
you are alone.
Rajeshri.
Yes, ma'am.
Rajeshri, you ask
Yes, ma'am.
directly.
I'm asking to Amrita.
Okay.
Amrita, when you
Ah.
feel anxious and you are alone, what would you do? How can you cope in that situation?
Ma'am, coping is, my mom told me, even that doctor told me, like drinking water, feeling relaxed, just to calm myself. I drink water, and my mom also told me that you can write something, and all those things doctor also
Okay.
told me. I do all that.
Okay. Uh, okay. Ma'am, that is the one question I want to ask.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I try?
Mm.
Try, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, my Amrita, I would like to. Hello.
Two are ready. Geetima will ask first, and then Usha.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Amrita, as you were staying at your hostel, you please tell me, you are sharing your room with your roommates or you are staying in your single room? Just I am
No,
asking.
no. I have two roommates. I'm staying
Okay,
with my
okay, okay.
roommates. We are three in the room.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so then what are the what are the furniture equipments you possess as a hostel dwellers, like your bed, your study table,
Mm.
rack? What are those?
Yes.
Please tell me.
Yeah. Yeah, we have hostel provides some things. We come and put some of our things. We have racks. We have table, chair,
Okay,
bed, everything.
okay,
All
okay,
three of us have room. It's very small room, but it's a rule of the hostel that there should be three students in a room, and we
okay,
also
okay,
follow that. We have to follow that.
okay, okay, okay. Yeah, that's very nice, and I think you have really nice time. Enjoy. You really enjoy with your roommates also, no? I think so. And
Yeah, but I told you, no, ma'am, my roommates don't understand. So I have another friend next room. But there are two, three other
yeah,
friends with whom we spend good time. My roommates are also good, but they have come from different place. They don't understand me. Whatever I
yes,
do,
yes, yes, yes.
sometimes that's
Yes. So
okay.
you keep all your books and your clothes, everything locked, or it's open for the three of you? Do
If
you have to take
I
that
can
type of
lock
protection?
also. I can lock
Yeah.
also. There is provision. I can lock also.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, but whenever you feel anxiety or the previous session you told me that you cut your thighs also out of anxiety and all, those things are known only to your roommates or the your wallmate, the another girl who is your friend in the hostel.
Ma'am, last time I told you that my roommate came, she helped me. My
Yeah.
roommates got frightened. So
Okay, okay, okay.
my friend came and did first aid to me.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So only that first aid healed you. Nothing, no more treatment you needed at that time, no?
No,
Okay. At that time also you didn't approach doctor for anxiety?
no. Only once with
Okay.
my mother took me, that's all.
Okay, okay. Okay. Ma'am, that's all actually I wanted to try.
Last chance, Usha, then we will stop. Then it is work thinking for you home.
Yes, ma'am. Amrita, can you tell me, as you said that you go to your grandparents' house and enjoy, who is your favorite cousin? Like among cousins, we share our things. So, who is the cousin with whom you share your secrets or your talks or the closest friend. Can you tell me, Amrita?
My uncle's daughter is there. We are very close. She's also of my age. Nita. We both spend lot of time together. She's very close to me.
Okay. So, what kind of a talk generally you people have, like which you enjoy, both
We
of you
talk
are talking?
talk about our college, and we have lots of jokes to share. Then movies, about movies we talk. And she also dances. Sometimes we discuss dance and we dance together also, just for fun.
Okay, okay, that's really nice. Do you ever discuss your issue of anxiety with her, or was there a chance you could tell her that this is what you sometime get into, the problem you face? Did you ever mention to her?
No, ma'am. No,
Okay, okay,
no.
okay. It means you don't share the whole thing with her. I think so.
No, why
You.
should I say that? No,
Uh,
I very recently, since 2 years, all this started from class
okay,
10,
okay,
9. From 9 onwards,
okay.
it
Okay.
started.
All right, all right. Okay, Amrita, right. Okay. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Manuja,
Yes.
it is already 5, going to be 5:15. You want to discuss something, or what shall we do? No,
Whatever.
this
I
is,
have a video. Huh.
yeah, this is an experience that every client getting every detail is, this is a lesson.
Yeah.
You will not get, so you have to think this is what is the next clarifying, and what are the ways of
Yes.
eliciting
Yes.
information.
Yeah.
We will
Yeah.
take you in the next class.
Yeah.
Actually, this is the real case which I was
Hmm.
I have take this is I have encountered with. So this was a challenge.
Yeah.
So my experience will be guiding. To be frank, anyway, all this I can tell. In fact, I have changed lots, but I have, when this was happening only, I have informed her that I am using this for a class. Because in my
Oh.
last year
Yeah.
class
Big one.
also, I have used this example, of course, without revealing identity. But I have taken permission from her that I am using this as a, because I felt this is very challenging.
Hmm. Yes. Yes.
It will really help the students to think from multiple perspectives, and really, within themselves, they have to think, because this is not a very rare kind of situation. We do get this kind of
Yeah.
counseling issues. So how do we go about it?
Yeah. Because this is see, when somebody exposing the fact that I'm a drug addict, it uh, is it very easy for that person? One thing, that you can judge that person easily. See, now she's only slowly you're building rapport with that person, and you're making that person feel that something will happen, that will help you, which will make her, okay, if this works out for me, for example, I'm able to relax, now I'm able to sleep better after doing that relaxation or breathing or whatever I'm training her. I specifically am doing that to make her feel that something will happen, some changes definitely will happen, but it is progressive and slowly. Okay. Yeah. So it is, why is it, will you, if you are meeting a stranger in the train once or twice, will you suddenly open up and share, however nice or empathetic or good that person is, will you suddenly share your problems with somebody?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
ma'am.
Okay, understand one thing, even in the counseling situation, last time also I was mentioning, the client is also testing you. Okay, so why would that person immediately want to share in the second? So once she will realize that certain things are happening to me, changing to me, some evidence I will need. See, usually I also want to tell people who go into substance abuse are people who have a difficult personality also. The probability of a personality disorder is there. See, I was trying to bring out, I don't know whether you observed about
I
her
observed
relationship
that.
with her brother.
Yeah.
What is it that I was trying to elicit? Okay, how is her relationship? If I ask her, how is your relationship with your brother? She said, my father is fine, my mother is fine. Okay, so I didn't want to give into that. Okay, slowly we'll come into her relationship with her parents also. But I was trying to show that she has difficulty not just with the classmates, of course, roommates, yes. Okay, she is having problem with her classmates. She is having problem with her sibling also, which is an indication that she has difficulty adjusting with many in different areas in her relationships. Okay, so all this, when you interview a person with substance abuse, 90% I can say that they will have a personality disorder. But can we jump into that and start dealing with the personality disorder, so that that is what we would want to do actually. Okay, when we come to goal setting, first we will learn probing, clarification, okay, paraphrasing. We'll use all those techniques next time to elicit more information. Okay, and when we elicit information also, it's very important that we are not asking any question just because we want to continue the session. Ask her about her grandmother, grandfather, good time. No, we are trying to elicit certain information which will help you to build up to go deeper. That's what I was trying to. Okay. Anybody wants to
Okay.
ask? Yeah, ma'am.
I think we
They are
can
tired,
stop.
I think, ma'am.
I know we should
they're all
stop
tired.
for today. Okay.
Beyond this, I don't think their brain can process.
No. And the challenge is also very, very tough challenges ahead
Yeah.
of them. Okay, then we'll see in the
Okay,
next
ma'am.
class.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everybody.
Ma'am.
Bye-bye. Yeah.
Manuja,
Bye-bye. Yes, ma'am.
on Friday you'll take to that one class
But
is there.
Friday, I'm coming for the...
Oh yeah, right. Okay.
If we finish earlier,
Uh,
2 to 3 will be difficult, no, ma'am?
yeah, it's difficult.
4 to 5, if it is
Anyway,
possible, I
tomorrow
can
they
take.
have
Otherwise, I am coming there, no?
Yeah. Tomorrow you do the common class. That will be a lengthy class, I think. Tomorrow they have a common class, Manuja. Friday, in case both of us are not able to take, we'll
Yeah.
inform you, because we
Yeah.
have some other work here. We'll
Yeah.
inform. Okay. Okay then. Bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Take care, ma'am.
Bye.
Yes, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Yeah, all of
Thank
you
you,
take
ma'am.
care. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Same to you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.